Relations Department in Bangkok.
This is Radio Thailand News, the voice of Thailand from the Public Relations Department of Thailand. Coming to you live from FM 88, FM 95.5 and FM 107.
And good evening. Welcome to the Voice of Thailand's Evening News Hour for Wednesday, December the 28th on FM 88 Radio Thailand. I'm Pentip Chomprang. Hoping you're having a great day so far. Here are this evening's key headlines. In national news, the Pollution Control Department has announced that the level of PM 2.5 may intensify beyond what is considered safe in some parts of the country. In business news, Thai tourism stocks soar as China scraps its quarantine measures. And in international news, oil prices slide on worries about China's COVID surge and possible global recession. Let's take a look at those top headlines and many more details.
National news.
Welcome back. This is the Voice of Thailand's Evening News Hour. Starting off with the PM 2.5 levels. The Pollution Control Department, or PCD, has announced that the level of PM 2.5 may intensify beyond what is considered safe in some parts of the country early next year due to the lower temperatures. As Thailand enters the cool season, when a high-pressure trough from China spreads over the upper parts of the nation, hazardous ultrafine dust particles are expected to worsen in certain areas. In the coming months, PM 2.5 could exceed the maximum safe level of 50 micrograms per cubic meter.